Hello, my name is Sribhuvan Sajja, and my 15-month-old project is the game Ball Bouncer. So the game Ball Bouncer is a puzzle game, and to play it, you click on Play, and so you can create a ball by clicking on two different places, and the arrow shows you which direction the ball is going to get fired in after you make the second click. So you can try different positions and try to clear all the balls in one shot. So for example, to clear this particular level, you would do that. And you can see that the ball clears all the balls in one shot. And you proceed to the next level. And then you can play around with this and do something to clear that. I'm not going to give you the answer on how to do this because I don't want to spoil the puzzle, but it's kind of similar to the previous one. So now we'll move on to the next feature, which is the build feature. So the build feature can be used to design your own levels. To design a level, you would click on what type of wall you want, and then click at the place you want to create it in, and then you get a message pop up which asks you a question: do you want the wall to be destroyable or not? If it's not destroyable, then you would get a grayish color wall which can't be destroyed. Otherwise, you get a a golden color wall which can be destroyed. And different walls have different features. So this particular wall will always flatten the velocity, it won't bounce the ball. This wall is kind of similar but in a different direction, and that the reversing wall will reverse the direction of the ball. I mean, it will exactly reverse the direction of a ball, it won't bounce it. And the quicksand wall, this one's kind of interesting, it absorbs the ball. So yeah, it doesn't bounce, it doesn't change the direction, it just reflects, absorbs. Yeah, and you can use clear to clear all the balls. You can save a level, like say I want to save this particular level. I can play it, and then I can save it, and I can save it with whatever name I want. Say I save it as test level. Then I could clear the screen and still load the test level from the load feature. And voila, I get it. Now designing levels can be kind of difficult if you can't see the motion of the ball, so I have a predict feature. So the predict feature shows you which direction the ball will be fired in even before firing the ball. So I could, for example, I'll load a predefined level, 4-square zigzag. I have prediction on, and there. So if I wanted to design a level using the predict feature, I would do something like suppose I want to design a feature with the flattened wall. Then I would do that, put the predict feature on, press X, which kind of removes this golden arrow. Then select whatever wall I want and put it in the place of this path. So that, and now if I try to do that, I get that. Then I would repeat the process with as many balls as I want to. So, and for particularly advanced gamers, I have this monster feature. So basically what it does is, I'm sorry about that. Basically what it does is it creates a monster each time your ball goes off the screen. And the monsters, if I'll just take a random shot so you can see it clearly, they follow your ball. and if it goes off the screen, more monsters appear, and if the monsters eat your ball. I don't know if you were able to see that, but yeah, I'll show you with this one. The ball disappears if it touches a monster. And the only way to defeat monsters or kill monsters is if they're lured into a quicksand wall. So if I did that, they eventually walk into the quicksand wall and they're destroyed. And that's about it for my term project. I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope you enjoyed it.